Yo, what's up, guys? Today I received new parcel from Robocraze. Let's start the unboxing. This time I did it better. Components packed with bubble wrappers, it's really awesome. The bunch of jumper wires, male to male, female to male, female to female, totally 5 pieces. And this is a glue stick, but the size is just a 17 centimeter. Disappointed. And the micro USB data cable for connecting the ESP32 to my PC. The quality is just I did not expect for this price range. And here is the 55 propellers for coreless motor. The plastic material is not that much good, but okay. But the thing is doesn't fit with the coreless motor. Oh shit, this is the unexpected disappointment to me. The BMP 280 barometric pressure sensor. Using this, you can measure the pressure, altitude, and temperature. Soldering sponge for cleaning my soldering iron when it stucks while soldering. Ribbon wires at 1 meter length. And finally, the tweezers. It's a stainless steel. At first impression, I feel it's very sturdy. Here, totally 3 different types of tweezers with safety tip protection. And finally, here is the bill for these components, and also I show the clear image for price details. Note it down, this is not a promotion. I spend my own money to buy these components for my hobby projects. That's it for this video. Anyway, it's your wish which online store is best for buying electronic components. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIYs. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.